maniac, but you don't know.
She's dancing with him, forgetting what she told me by the water fountain. Now he's grabbing her lips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear, and she knows that